towards your goals. So, what are you saving for? Visit a Wells Fargo branch or Wells Fargo.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, Kane County in northeastern Illinois until 7:15 p.m. At 5:44 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sublette to near Leland, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-sized hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Elgin, DeKalb, Bartlett, Carpentersville, St. Charles, Algonquin, West Chicago, Batavia, Hunley, Geneva, Sycamore, Canton Hills, Sandwich, Genoa, Shibuna, South Elgin, Montgomery, North Aurora, Sugar Grove, Green Grove, Gilbert, West Dundee, Hampshire, and Elbert. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect until
Now this is for Aurora, Elgin, and DeKalb. Both of the three cities are going to impact here.
This is Weather Radio KZ 81 Lockport.